Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to transfer files from the smartphone to any other type of device. As you can see right here, we've got this USB-C USB-A adapter with 128 GB of memory SD card. In order to transfer files from smartphone to SD card or in reverse, firstly, let's go to settings on your smartphone and now find OTG. Enable this function and now we can connect the external device via USB-C port and we can explore If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.